All right, walking down the hallway, we have the one here in the powder room. Here's the one on the hall closet. So we're missing one here for the upstairs bedroom. We have one in mom's room. Okay. We have one in mom's closet. Okay. Here's your toilet, by the way. Okay. I'm leaving tonight, so let me turn these lights off. Okay, so these have not yet been installed in the sliding doors, but I already have those. They're right here. So we've got those. By the way, here's how your laundry hookups came out. Okay. You need another one here for your pantry. You don't need any in your kitchen or living room. You don't need any up here. Okay, let's go downstairs. Okay, you're going to need one here to get into the bathroom. You need another one here to get into the toilet room. See? Toilet room. You need another one okay, to get in here to the guest bedroom across the hall. And then in this guest bedroom, you've got your two closet doors at the end over here. And then there's another closet door right here. And then lastly, you've got this door here. There you go. Count them up.